Hi guys! So today is the May 14 and it's currently 9:43 AM. So for today, magpapasa lang ako ng final research paper namin, IMRAD report, tas yung clear book namin black. So yesterday, nagbayad ako ng grad pick namin. So yun na nakuha kong clip. So today, nakapagpa-print na din ako. Pasa ko na lang siya later afternoon kasi 1 PM nandun yung advisor ko sa school. Konti. Hi guys! So today we're going to reunion. So yeah. Photobook ko, guys. Uwi na kami na daddy. So ganda. So, I really love it. Sobrang ganda. Like, legit, lahat ng gusto ko nandito. Though may naulit, pero okay lang. Mas affordable pa siya. So, guys, kung magpapaano kayo ng debut nyo for pre-debut shoots and mismong debut. Sobrang ganda kasi ng quality nila. Meron pa kayong kasama na din dun yung photobook niya. So, syempre, modern world na may pictures na, meron ng online pictures. Pero syempre may time talaga na full storage tayo. So, yung mga album na to, it's for lifetime. For me, iba pa rin talaga pag nag-debut kasi it's a one-in-a-lifetime experience. Kung wanna know kung ano yung Facebook account ni Stylist Chick Manila sa mga magde-debut or ikakasal or mga mag-prenup or pre-debut shoots, pwede nyo check yung link down below sa description for the people who's living here in the Philippines. And you can also check my debut vlog so you could see the quality of my SDE debut shoot and also my pre-debut shoot. So you could see the quality. It's not sponsored, but you know, nowadays, check out my debut vlog, guys, if you wanna know how my debut went. Baby! Mommy! Yummy, 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 yummy. Bigyan ako ni Mommy some milk. But guess what? You need to guess what stuff toy it is. Ito na lang. Boxing daw, guys. Ang bango! Ay, hindi! I like the color! Ang cute! What's a dulay?
At ang ganda, interchangeable eyes.
Ang cute! Smells good. Parang siyang candy. Hey, you kitty cat. Ito daw, for mommy. Bago naman siyang binili.